Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking program, guys. We're back in the kitchen again one more time, giving you your dish, everyone dish, my dish to your dish. Guys, today we're gonna talk about this wonderful Caribbean Cuisine cooking book written from Chef Ricardo. Anyway, I know there's a lot of people don't get their copy. I don't know yet why, but they soon get their copy soon. But today I want to explain and I want to say thank you so much for buying the book and leaving your comments on Amazon. I will put the link below where you can click on the link and it will take you straight where you can get my cooking book to buy. That's really brilliant, really good to have the cookbook in your kitchen and can say, yes, I know the chef guy who written this cooking book. Anyway, if you don't get your copy, I have good news for you. The good news, it is available on Amazon, which you can brought it on Amazon and it can come straight to your doorstep, right inside of your kitchen, and you can have it on the counter. And the beauty is not expensive, it's very cheap. It's just only £8.99, so it is good. So guys, if you don't get your copy, get your copy. I'm begging you, please. I can't explain it to you. You have to get it yourself and then explain it back in the message what could be done with the book. So thank you so much for who brought the book and who don't brought yet. I'm gonna go to brought. You're amazing. So anyway, guys, I'm happy and I'm just rejoicing and I'm really thankful of your help, and hopefully we can do better in the future. Thank you so much for supporting Chef Ricardo with the cookbook, and who don't support and who gonna buy. You're amazing. Look forward for more in the future. Thank you so much. Bye bye.